Here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Most side hustles are garbage. You'll spend 20 hours a week making $3 an hour taking surveys, or writing product reviews that nobody reads, or selling stuff on Fiverr at prices so low you'd make more flipping burgers. But some side hustles, they actually work. People are making real money. We're talking $500, $1,000, even $5,000 a month, and I'm going to show you exactly which ones and how they do it. Before we get into the specific hustles, let's address why 90% of people fail at side income. They pick something random, they don't commit for more than 2 weeks, and they quit the second it gets hard. The side hustles that actually pay require one thing. You have to be genuinely good at something people will pay for. This isn't about passion, it's about market demand. If you're amazing at graphic design but nobody's hiring, that doesn't help you. You need skill plus demand plus consistency. 3 things most people won't do. Side hustle number 1 is freelance writing. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Not blog posts or content mill garbage. I'm talking about writing sales pages, email sequences, and long-form content for actual businesses. Someone who gets good at this can charge between $50 and $200 per hour, depending on the niche. One writer I know charges $150 for a 1,000-word sales page. If she does 5 of those a month, that's $7,500 in pure side income. The barrier to entry is 0. You need a computer and basic writing skills, but the barrier to getting clients is high. You need a portfolio, and you need to sell yourself. Side hustle number 2 is virtual bookkeeping. This one's less sexy, but it pays incredibly well. Small businesses desperately need someone to organize their finances, reconcile accounts, and prepare reports. If you learn QuickBooks or Xero, you can charge $30 to $75 per hour, and most clients need 5 to 10 hours of work per month. That's one client paying you between $150 and $750 monthly, just to manage their books a few hours a week. Accountants and bookkeepers will tell you there's a massive shortage of competent people doing this work. The setup takes maybe 2 weeks of learning, and the earning potential is genuinely high. Number 3, digital products. This one has longer setup time, but it's genuinely passive once it works. Notion templates, Canva templates, Adobe presets, email course templates. People buy these things constantly. I know someone who created 15 Notion templates, spent maybe 30 hours total, and now makes $2,000 to $3,000 monthly passively. She did the work once and gets paid repeatedly. The hard part isn't creating it, it's marketing it. You need an audience or a way to reach people who actually want what you're selling. This is investing for beginners in the digital product space, and it requires patience, but the upside is real. Number 4 is social media management for small businesses. Local plumbers, dentists, salons, real estate agents, they all need someone to post content, respond to comments, and keep their social media from looking completely dead. You can charge $500 to $2,000 per month per client, depending on the scope. If you get 3 clients, that's $1,500 to $6,000 monthly. You don't need to be an influencer. You need to understand basic content strategy and show small business owners that you can get them actual results. This is a skill you can learn in a month and start making money within 6 weeks. Number 5 is specialized tutoring. Not general help kids with homework tutoring. That pays terribly. I'm talking about test prep, programming languages, professional certifications. Someone teaching SAT prep can charge $70 to $120 per hour. Someone teaching Python can charge similar rates. If you have expertise in anything people are willing to pay for, there's demand. One tutor I know works 10 hours a week on test prep and makes $4,000 monthly. That's active income, not passive. But $4,000 for 10 hours a week beats most full-time jobs. Here's the real secret that nobody talks about. The money isn't in finding the perfect side hustle. It's in picking one that matches your actual skills and then executing better than everyone else. Most people jump between 5 different ideas instead of getting genuinely good at one. If you pick freelance writing, spend 3 months building a portfolio and actually learning to sell. If you pick bookkeeping, actually get certified and actually learn the software. That consistency is what separates people making $100 a month from people making $5,000. This is personal finance advice that actually works. Don't chase ideas, chase execution. Like this video if you're ready to actually commit to building side income, and subscribe for more honest money tips that don't waste your time.